In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the missing angle in a quadrilateral. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the measure of the missing angle? And we have a quadrilateral here. Quadrilateral has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know the angle measures for three of the corners, but we don't know this one. That's the one we're trying to solve. So let's understand that the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is always 360 degrees. Okay, so that makes it simple to solve. So since we know the angles must add to 360, we can write an equation with the angles that we know to find the unknown angle. So the angles that we know are 120 plus 98 plus 108. And then this is the unknown, plus question mark, equals 360 degrees. So if we add up all these corners, they add up to 360. Now we can combine like terms. We can add all these three together. And we get 326 degrees plus question mark equals 360 degrees. So now we can subtract 326 from both sides so that we could get question mark on its own. So when we do that, 326 minus 326 gives us 0 here, and we're left with question mark. And then 360 minus 326 leaves us with 34 degrees. So we know question mark equals 34 degrees. And that's it. That's the whole problem, and it's not very complicated. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download the ebook, and in the ebook you'll find a link to this video. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description you'll find links to other videos of mine that are similar to this, and you could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.